Hello everyone, Carson here, back on New York Times Sudoku. Today is November 16th, 2023. Let's start the hard puzzle for today. Okay, so first of all we got these 5s, they point right. So 5 in this box goes in one of these two cells. Okay, stupid notifications. Alright, let's just ignore them. And then don't really want to mark these 8s being here because there's too many options. Maybe I should look at other things first. Stupid notifications. I'm sorry if you hear them. Okay, these ones point left, one in one of these two cells for that box. These ones, they point down the southeast one. So this 7 points left. So 7 in this box, it must go in row 4. So these 7s, they point left, with these 7s pointing into the box. The 7 for this box is actually forced here. It must go here, because it can't go anywhere else. These 7s point down and this 7 points right. So in this box, 7 has to go in row 8. So these 7s, put a 7 in one of those two cells. Okay, these 2s, put a 2 in one of those two cells. Oh, actually, I see something else. 2, 3, and 8 in row 7. 2, 3, and 8 in row 7. They point left. So these 3 cells in this box, in box 7, these 3 cells, of course, can't be 2, 3, and 8. But also, 2, 3, and 8 are missing in the box. And there are only 3 available cells left for 2, 3, and 8. So this is actually 2, 3, 8 triple, where the 8 has to go in this column for this box. So these 8s, put 8 in one of these two cells. And so this is a triple for these 3 cells. 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so these are 1, 7, 9. You can also say that these 3 cells, C1, 7, and 9. So in row 7, also 3 only available cells left for 1, 7, and 9. Oh, this cell sees both 1 and 7, so this must be, this cell sees both the 1 and 9, so this must be the 7. 7 points up and the 7 points right, so 7 in this box, 7 in box 2, it must go in row 1, and these 7s point right, so put 7 in this cell, points down, places the 7 here. Okay, so 1-9 pair like this. These 8s, right off the bat, it's actually, like, this is true from the very beginning. These 8s force the 8 to go here for the box, points left, 8 goes here, so now in the middle box, in box 5, 8 joins up with the 7, so both 7 and 8 have to go in one of these two cells. This forms a 7-8 pair. So these two remaining cells left are also a pair, but this cell sees 3. So 3 has to go here, and the remaining digit, 2. These 3s point up. Okay, so in column 2, 4 remaining open cells left for 2, 3, 4, and 5. This cell sees 4 and 5, so it must be 2, 3. Cell sees 3 and 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. What a nice pattern. All 4 cells are bi values. Bi values mean that that cell is limited to only 2 possible digits, so that's called a bi value, if you really want to know. So even in that situation, this is still not resolved. So can't really do anything with. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so because these 3 cells can't be a 5, these 2 cells need this 5, this cell needs this 5. So actually, 5 is placed here in the column, but that doesn't really change the fact that it's still a 2, 3, 4 triple up here. But actually, the 4 has to go in one of those 2. Okay, these 4s point left, 4 in one of these 2 cells. These 5s, put 5 in one of these 2 cells. Okay, in column 9, 5, 6, and 9 go in those 3 cells. This leads to 9 only. Okay, this leads to the 5. 5, 6, 9. So 9 must go up here no matter what. Okay, this is either. Okay, so this cell sees 1, does not see the 2, 3, does not see the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is almost a pair, but not exactly. Okay, we got these 6 pointing right. Should have marked that earlier. Oh, we got this 4 points down and this 4 points left, so 4 is in 4 goes in one of those 2 cells for that box. Don't think that helps much though. Oh, these 4s, they point up. That was so obvious. Okay, so 4 in this box, 4 in box 3 is actually forced to be in that cell. And then, after I place this 4, 1, the digit 1 in this box, it is now limited to column 7, so no matter what in this box, 1 has to go here because of this 1. So because 1 is here, this can't be the 1, otherwise there would be no 1s in this box. So 1 is eliminated from the cell, 9 and 1 in this order. Okay, and then these 1s point right, 1 is placed in the cell. Okay, 9s, these 9s, place 9 in one of these 2. These 9s, put 9 in one of these 2 cells. Oh, in the bottom right box, in box 9, there are only 3 open cells left for 3, 5, and 6, and this cell, it can't be a 3. So 3 in this box, it has to go in row 8. It eliminates all other 3s in the same row, so 3 is actually placed here. It must go in the cell for this box, so that get these digits placed. Okay, this is not a 1 anymore. This 2 points right with this pointing down. So 2 goes on one of those 2 cells. Oh, I just noticed that in this cell, because I was looking at what digits go in this row, but actually I think I found a naked single. Because this cell sees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sees every other digit that apart from 9. So the only digit that it doesn't see is 9. So it must be a 9, because it can't be anything else. Okay, so these 9s point up. Okay, 9 in one of these 2 cells for the row. For the row. Okay. So these are 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 4 or 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. These 5s point down. 5 in one of these 2 cells. For the 6, it actually can go in one of these 4. And we got the 8 as well. So 6 can go here. And then the 8s can go down here. Yeah, I think that's all the digits in this box. So we can look at, I guess we can fill in the columns. Column 8, 3, 5, 6, and 9. 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 Does not help much. Okay, and row 6, 1, 5, and 9. Sees the 5, 1, 5, 9, 5, 9. Okay, in this box, 1 goes here. 5 go in one of these 2. 9 goes in one of these 2. But 6, I think it can go in any of the 5. I mean, in any of the 4 cells. Okay, because this is a 7-8 pair, the 4 other cells, the 4 other open cells in the same row are 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is 2 or 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is 3 and 5. Surprisingly, I'm still not seeing anything that helps a lot. Because this is 3, 6, and 9. Oh, there's 2 points left with this 2 pointing up. So 2 in the digit 2 in row 4, it must go in this box, so this can't be a 2. That means 2 is in one of these 2 cells. It's just 2, 4, 6, 9 for this column. I mean, for this row. 2, 4, 6, 9. 2, 4, 6, 9. Oh yeah, I'm so confused right now. Okay, so let's fill more things, alright? Because I'm really not seeing anything. I do apologize. Okay, 2, 3, 7, 8 for this column. 2, 3, 7, 8, 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, that's right. I bet it's something really obvious that I still don't see. I don't see why this can't be a 3. Okay, in this box, 1 goes in one of these two. 2 goes here. 3 goes in one of these two. 4 oh my goodness, 4 can't go in any of these. Because earlier we found out that this can't be a 4, so for this column, 4 has to go in one of these two cells. But still, I don't see how that helps. This is not a 4. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if you look at this cell, it sees 1, 2, 3, does not see the 4, 5 does not see the 6, sees the 7, 8, and 9. So this does not see 4 and 6. But see everything else. So this must be either 4 or 6. Same for this cell, either 4 or 6. So actually, this is a 4-6 pair. Both 4 and 6 must go in one of these two cells. None of the digits can go in these two cells. So 4-6 pair eliminates all other 4 and 6s in the same column. So actually, this is a 5. Places this 5. Places this 5. Okay. Wow, that was the spot I needed. Okay, 3-6 pair makes the 4. And then this 2-8 pair across here. Oh yeah, this cell must be 6 because 6 these 6s point down. Okay. Oof, that was a tough spot. If you don't mark a lot of cells, you're gonna struggle a bit like me. After I got this 5, I can place the 1 here, eliminates the 1 from this cell, places the 1 in this cell. Okay, guess the 9, 5, and 1. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna explain this anymore because I think it's mainly just normal Sudoku rules. Okay. Now, in row 3, these 3 cells see 9, so this must be a 9. So that's not okay. It's not a 9. Oh, 9 is placed here for this box. My reaction time is kind of slow, so please forgive me. 3, 6, 3. And then this can't be a 3, this can't be a 5, this can't be a 3. Okay, so this 2 and 6. Yeah, 4 and 6 and 4 and a what? 3 and 2 like this. This is a 5. Jeez, my reaction is literally so slow. I apologize. Oh, this is not. Oh, this is a 4. Okay. Well. 7 and 9. Okay, this still sees 9. There we go. Alright, this is kinda a struggle. Finished today's New York Times Hot Sudoku in about 22 minutes. So I think the trickiest spot was this 4-6 pair in column 4. I did not see that for a very, very long time until I really started to mark lots of cells. So yeah, I think that was kinda tricky, the 4-6 pair in column 4. And another key spot, I think, that was a bit more obvious than 4 and 6, but still, you really need to focus on that, is down here. 238 triple, or 179 triple, however you want to see it. So it's just this thing going on down here that I spotted early on. So yeah, other than that, yeah. It's just those that are difficult that makes the whole puzzle, you take a lot of time trying to solve the puzzle. So this was some tricky spots. So hopefully you didn't struggle too much. Hopefully it went well for you. Feel free to comment what you thought about this puzzle. Alright, so that's it for New York Times Hot Sudoku for today. Today is November 16th, 2023. I'll see you all in tomorrow's New York Times Hot Sudoku. Bye!